From the villages to the cities, we awake with a roar. Across the continent we rise, hear the lions score. Rastafari, we stand tall, never bow our heads. Judged by the law of Babylon, where justice often fled. Suit and tie the thieves in the palace, call it a game. While we struggle for bread, they are no alternate. Unite, we ignite, millions strong. Across nations we reclaim what's been wrong. The power's in our minds, the truth in our hands. Rising up together, we take a stand. Nothing binds except your thoughts, elevate your mind. Nothing limits you except fears, leave them all behind. Nothing controls you but belief, step into your light. Rise up, Rastafari, it's our time to fight. In every corner of the earth, our heritage connects. Through the diaspora, weaving strength, we reflect a vision shared. Military science, true peace, the force within us gather, seeking justice, our release. Together we can build societies anew, founded on justice, innovation, and the truth. Skills and spirits, unyielding power locked within, empowering the African mind. Let our journey begin. Oh, nothing binds except your thoughts, elevate your mind. Nothing limits you except fears, leave them all behind. Nothing controls you but belief, step into your light. Rise up, Rastafari, it's our time to fight. Look around, see the strength, feel the rhythms align. Every step we take is a part of the design. Reconstructing Africa, now's the time to rise. Together nothing's impossible, we'll reach for the sky. Reach for the sky. The vision is clear, the mission is strong. Together we can rewrite history where we all belong. Rise up, let the world see this unstoppable force. With Rastafari leading, we'll change the course.